In this video, learn how to enhance your continuous training (CT) pipeline's efficiency and scalability. Discover strategies to streamline CT processes and improve model performance. Have you ever wondered how tech giants continuously improve their AI models while staying ahead of the competition? The secret lies in their ability to optimize continuous training pipelines. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can enhance your CT pipeline's efficiency and scalability. By the end of this session, you'll have actionable strategies to streamline your processes and boost your model's performance. To optimize your continuous training pipeline, it's crucial to understand its core components. Typically, a CT pipeline includes data ingestion, which involves collecting and preprocessing data from various sources. Next is model training, where the algorithm learns from this data. After training, models undergo validation to ensure they meet performance benchmarks before deployment. Finally, feedback loops are integrated to continuously improve the model. Each component plays a vital role in the efficiency and effectiveness of your pipeline.
A critical step in optimizing your CT pipeline, identifying bottlenecks. These are points where inefficiencies slow down your process. Common bottlenecks include slow data ingestion, lengthy training times, and ineffective validation steps. To detect them, monitor performance metrics such as processing time and resource utilization. Tools like TensorBoard and Prometheus can provide insights into these metrics. Once identified, prioritize fixes based on their impact on overall performance. By addressing bottlenecks, you ensure a smoother and faster pipeline.
Automation in data preprocessing is a game changer for CT pipelines. By automating tasks like data cleaning, normalization, and transformation, you reduce the manual workload and ensure consistency. Tools like Apache Airflow and Data Robot can automate these processes, allowing your team to focus on more strategic tasks. Not only does this improve efficiency, but it also enhances data quality, leading to more accurate model predictions. Embracing automation in preprocessing is a critical step towards optimizing your training pipeline. Model validation ensures your models perform well in real-world scenarios. Efficient validation techniques, such as cross-validation and real-time validation, are essential. Cross-validation involves splitting data into subsets to test the model's accuracy, while real-time validation checks model performance during live data feeds. Tools like scikit-learn and Mulflow can facilitate these processes. By implementing robust validation techniques, you not only ensure model reliability but also enhance the overall effectiveness of your CT pipeline.
Cloud resources offer unparalleled scalability for CT pipelines. Platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure allow you to scale up or down based on your needs, ensuring cost efficiency and availability. By leveraging cloud services, you can manage resources effectively, accommodate large data volumes, and handle complex computations. This flexibility is invaluable in today's fast-paced tech environment, where demands can change rapidly. Embracing cloud solutions is a strategic move for any organization looking to optimize their CT pipeline.
Integrating feedback loops is essential for continuous improvement in CT pipelines. Feedback can come from user interactions, model performance metrics, or error rates. By incorporating this data back into the training process, you can iteratively improve model accuracy and relevance. Automated feedback systems, using tools like Kafka or RabbitMQ, streamline this process. By continuously refining your models based on real-world data, you ensure they remain effective and valuable over time. Monitoring and logging are critical for maintaining transparency in your CT pipeline. By keeping track of pipeline activities, you can quickly detect errors and track performance. Tools like ELK-Stack and Grafana offer real-time monitoring and visualization of your pipeline metrics. Logging best practices include capturing detailed logs of data processing, model predictions, and system errors. This transparency not only aids in debugging but also provides insights into pipeline performance, helping you make informed optimization decisions. Security is a paramount concern in continuous training pipelines. Protecting sensitive data and ensuring compliance with regulations is crucial. Implement access controls to restrict who can view and modify pipeline components. Use encryption practices to secure data at rest and in transit. Regular audits and vulnerability assessments help identify potential security risks. By prioritizing security, you protect not only the data but also the integrity of your models, maintaining trust with stakeholders.
As we wrap up, remember that optimizing your continuous training pipeline is an ongoing journey. Embrace automation, leverage cloud resources, and integrate continuous feedback for iterative improvements. Prioritize security and transparency to maintain stakeholder trust. Now, it's your turn to apply these strategies. Share your experiences in the comments, subscribe for more insights, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.